Have you ever dreamed of turning your ideas into viral, monetizable videos in just minutes? With SmartShort AI, that dream becomes reality. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, you can now create captivating, professional content. No editing or scripting skills required. SmartShort AI is the revolutionary tool that automates the entire video creation process. In just a few clicks, you'll have ready-to-publish videos packed with emojis, dynamic transitions, sound effects, and accurate captions, all tailored to your style. Step 1. Enter your idea or script. Step 2. Let the AI do the magic.
Did you know these 5 surprising facts about the Titanic, largest ship of its time? The Titanic was the largest ship afloat during its maiden voyage in 1912.
Step 3. Publish directly to your favorite platforms and start earning from unique, high-quality videos. Now that you're aware of this innovation, don't miss out on this digital revolution. Visit smartshort.co now and turn any idea into viral content that grabs attention and drives income. Start today and make 2025 your breakthrough year.